Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: updated apps, reachable contacts, and backups off for verification. Open the chat and tap the contact name to access contact info. This is where encryption controls live. Once done, locate Encryption and view the QR code and 60-digit number. This represents your key fingerprint. You will start the verification process now by comparing fingerprints or scanning a QR. Make sure both people are present or on a video call to confirm keys in real time. Next, you perform verification. Tap Scan Code and point your camera at the other person's QR code. The app will confirm instantly. If scanning isn't possible, read the 60-digit number aloud and verify each segment. This prevents man-in-the-middle attacks. Once WhatsApp shows a green check or confirmation, the devices have matched keys. Make sure to repeat verification for new devices or after reinstalling WhatsApp, because key changes happen when keys are regenerated or a device is added. Finally, complete the process by confirming the green verification marker and resuming secure chatting. This ensures your messages use end-to-end encryption. If keys change later, repeat verification immediately. If you encounter mismatches, first restart WhatsApp and ask the contact to reopen their encryption screen, then rescan or recompare the digits. If problems persist, check for multiple linked devices in WhatsApp web/desktop and remove unknown sessions. Contact the person directly. Do not accept unexpected.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.